Hey, what's up? What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Nicolas, man. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a trap beat on FS3 mobile. Make sure you subscribe for me and make sure you comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video. And guys, I'm going to drop the third beat tape on music distribution apps. Make sure you go and stream my music. Anyways, without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. Hey bruh, this is very simple. All I did, I started with this sound, like a pluck sound. Then I just made it repetitive, but I went straight to get the third beat, like half step, no, one third step beat. Like, I don't, like, all I'm trying to say is when you make beats with half step, third step, quarter step. I don't know if I'm calling them right, but I use the 1/3, as you can see. And I made these notes to be repetitive so that they can sound like and then between these two notes there must be like what can I say, they must be close to each other so that it can create a lot of tension. As you can see, I added a stack of sound, a bunch of I added reverb, I added EQ, I added leveler so that it can sound full, and then I'll get the whole sound, it can sound audible. Then I added this bell sound after that, and then I went straight to add the keyboard, the lower notes on the keyboard to give it the dark feel. That's pretty it, guys. God damn, to give it the dark feel. And then after that I went straight to the drums. No, wait, I added this one sound. This is a